Our heritage is for sure loudspeakers. That's what we started with. In fact, KRA in the very beginning was a rental company that has developed over the years into, let's say, more installed systems, and that's where we are very good at, I would say. And now the situation is evolving in a slightly different way, I would say, in a more comprehensive way. In fact, our products, we are not just about the products now, physical products such as loudspeakers and amplifiers, because we also have those. But we are now also paying a lot of attention to the software part. In fact, our software suite is something that, it took a lot of years to develop, but now it's ready and mature to the point we are able to follow our end users and customers and installers and also designers in every single step of the project, from the very early design and simulation stages all the way down to the installation, the setup, but even the maintenance for those technicians who want their products to live long. We tend to see products and again loudspeakers, as we mentioned before, as tools, but that's not just it. To make the formula work out, you need something else, something that keeps all the pieces together and makes them easy to use and deploy and maintain. So we spent a lot of effort on that. So coral was born, coral snake is another reptile. We have all the reptiles in the family. You mentioned the lizard. It takes the style and the design of another product of ours, very popular one, which is called Viper, another reptile. It takes that design and very clean and discreet look to make it bigger and enclose 3-inch transducers, so bigger transducers compared to the Viper, and a dome tweeter. We also put a switch that allows you to switch between point source and line array mode. So again, going back to that tools approach, we try to give two different tools in the same product. So if you want the speaker to behave as a line array speaker, then you get all those benefits by just switching to that position. If you want a point source behavior with a wider coverage and maybe eventually install the speaker horizontally, you can do that just by switching to point source mode. So the Coral takes that and adds performance to it while keeping a very sleek design and making it suitable for a wide variety of applications. We have the in-wall version as well, and it's fully customizable and outdoor rated. We spoke about versatility and flexibility on the product, so that for sure will be one of the key aspects in the future development. That's one thing. Integration is also a key, so the software part will just follow or maybe lead that path, because we've done years and years of developments on the hardware side of things, and software now is helping us achieve things we cannot do with the hardware. So it's kind of let's say ping pong between software and hardware to push the boundaries and just make things more flexible and versatile. That's to us the key aspect, and putting together performance and look is also another important, I would say, fundamental aspect for us at KRA.